Happy Father's Day to every father all around the world, including me. My name is I.O.C.WALTER, aka the Bishop, and also known as the Onune. I am an advocate for the boy child and for men. And today, I want to send out a very special message to you, fathers, on this special day, the Father's Day 2025. Honoring fathers and nurturing our boys. Today, as we celebrate Father's Day, let's take a moment to truly appreciate the incredible fathers, our grandfathers, and our male mentors who shape our lives. Their strength, their guidance, and unwavering strength and support are foundational to our families and communities. This Father's Day, let us also remember our boy children and the men that they will become. Let us commit to creating a world where boys are raised with empathy, resilience, and a clear understanding of what it means to be a responsible, loving, and caring man. Let's also empower them to express their emotions, pursue their dreams, and challenge harmful stereotypes, which is of course what many of us are doing. And to all the fathers out there, thank you for your sacrifices. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your dedication. I want you to know that you are invaluable. And to all of you out there, like myself, who advocate for the well-being of boys and men, your work is crucial in building a healthier, more balanced society for everyone. From me, the Onune, I.O.C.WALTER, happy Father's Day. God bless you.